Me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Yeni ayenim yawe kese a aba wo man so. Anawe ase ni na trese enkrofo edi abreho ewo yawe we so. Now, I just want us to discuss something because in sense be so answer the beto aso subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any down screen so sisia we yan the latest news be about onsa ebeka. So far, from health experts, from people who know things like this, no, Adia Wamoka and say Ghana should go into lockdown. Ebiana lockdown will be NTS. Now, I'll use this avenue to explain matters. Lockdown, no, senia a year juma, na yenya yehu de eko. Yakasa lockdown, just say, will be a etimefie. Obia MP enko bebia just like Italy senior sisia eti most ebia yamva say public transport and na bibia we use no enye adwuma just say tinafie hye mempie enko just say mempie enko bebia you can lock down. That is what lockdown means. Now, why are people calling on lockdown? I'll explain and then you guys will understand why Akwa say Ghana Sisiano, that is the only possible way for us. We share areasia faneni na ayawe we. Just say aba haye ni nano. We share omaya womutumi aso yawe we. Womutumi aso so no. Womuni na senya womutumi so lockdown and mass testing. And now me know what I say. It is going into several days ni. And so the younger say so far people don't understand this whole coronavirus thing. Yeah, can coronavirus enye nansinya na yare, but I see people misinterpreting the whole thing. Yeah, can coronavirus yare na enye and then the first time a coronavirus aba, and Nancy the first time a coronavirus aba. Dabi. Osha, several years ago, as early as 2002, Grana Yari bi by MERS, SARS, Niguino, Womunina a types of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a type of virus, bia, we share one structure now, as a woman share a henche. Bibia a friend a crown. They are crown-like viruses. Now, those type of viruses, no, because of their crown, ninti, the way they look like almost a hencheno, and unti, what they share microscope more, and then your friend coronavirus. Munti assembly. This particular new type of coronavirus are abbey, and only ding at the COVID-19. But this is not the first time a coronavirus abba womainimu and now abba riasimu. This is not the first time a coronavirus abba. As far back as 2002, early 2000s, no, there were cases of coronavirus, just that it wasn't this same COVID-19, no. It's been Husan Crawford can will be at the Dettol. Once a Dettol, ya throw also say it kills germs and it kills it kills human coronaviruses. And Crawford air can say, hey, ya throw a Dettol, so said Dettol, ekun coronavirus, and teacher say, to me, kumwe. That is what people don't understand. And yet the old type of coronaviruses are a baye, a chemu, and then yenya anu drono. And no na Dettol need to me kum. But this new type yenya anu droye. So the effective or the only way yede says a coronavirus is spread and a lockdown. And I'll give you a typical example. As early as 2002, coronavirus, I think that time, the MERS or SARS or that type of coronavirus by as early as 2002. One more, that type of coronavirus, no, a chi or more a kun or more Singapore for Singapore. One more pan as a virus, no, a chi or more kun or more. Into since that time, no, and a Singapore for Womusia and Yansa say, send your health system, no, etino. We will structure ourselves in the sense that say you really say esan so ba biom pa dia ye be make sure say enkum ye nkrofo inti embra this new one buy ya na Singapore for ka say kai 2002 dia e buy ya ekun ye no ye ntina se enhwe inti no mo de inyama atoto akwan mu ehwa na wo mo hyase se wo mo lock just say ye be lock down wa ye lock down and a mass testing Ghana has say coronavirus unless who show symptoms and sana ye be tested but Singapore wo mo yo mo ho say obi biara ye be tested no ye hu ne say okay nipa we no wo na eno no be ma yare no waso ano because e ba ye no we hu obi a stand but Ghana de no de ma ne ye hu ne say wo bi na more healthy because yare no chi nipa ko na enye say ni mu ho ana nipa ko na bubu egu ho. It takes 2 weeks and sana asha say e manifeste inti ende ebia wo be hu say wo bi onam ho healthy obeka say yare ne nche no eno nti wo ma yenye ne test after 2 weeks na yare no be sha say e dan ne hu edi no obe hu ne say nipa ko no wo dey infecting proof wo bebre it is Singapore for dey na wo mo ye no wo mu hu wo mo stand e ba ya no mo ye mass testing e ye lockdowns. And ye can we assume wo mo mutumi manage yawe we ye pana. They are one of those countries. Even in China, and I know say wo mo de yawe ne ba no. America for kra aba benya yawe ne kra in China for. China why yawe ni fino. And people are saying say 6 days continuously China and recorded one single new coronavirus case here. Until I know baby someone who said how did China get to that place? Will be our day yare ne bae. Afraid there, one no pone watono. Ama we releasing crofo fi hospitals. Ama China krano. Wama ne doctors for ebimo ako Italy say Italy for there no ye too much inti. Yenfa yen crofo mbra no mo meboamo. Obi a yare ne free ne ho bae. Wetumi aso ano ama wo de ne crofo kra airboa other countries. It's the question you ask yourself ne say how did China get there? It was simple. Lockdown and mass testing. Simple and short. China for who say dabi yare we yare bia. See a man crofo go with their business and asenya de bia wo moye inyama ewo wiase mu a yare no ebechi ye ni na ekuyen. Inti yesremo yema wo bia nhye ne fie. And no, there is no movement. So we should fear umpien kwa bonten fa yare no nkomo obi. Until they locked down the Wuhan pan na yare no wo Wuhan ho and you locking it down. Now what's your population of people in Wuhan ho? Millions of people, but still they locked it down. Until ama experts e wo Ghana trese especially medical officers. The Ghana Medical Association atron krata ama womanpenyi say enimu ya womanpenyi and lock down the country. Womanpenyi so ababonten ne nsema betuja. Na me de no so bebrel. Na wo hwe de Ghana Medical Association ya doctor fo ne wo mo medical fo no wo mo tro na. De wo mo kan say yawe we yawe bia. Ya nhwe ya senia e be fire no. Because see, just last week, Ghana, just last week, now your cases no in 20 impo, around 10 ho baby. Just last week and that I mean can say cases now kosra ko 138. And people are even experts are saying say by the end of this month, cases no be over 300. Ghana nkwan 138. I send for miensa ewu. So experts are calling for lockdown. Say yema will be anshefie, mo will be anko bebia. Now it has implications. I just want to lay the facts bare. Now one kasa wehu the right decision because you see akoya a big debate. The experts are saying the country should lock down. Abai so shemu who said dabi we dear. Lockdown no too serious. But yen take so serious and yen take so serious action, which is the lockdown now. Ebia de ebe to yen no ebe say Italy. And then Italy first enye yare we ya na ke can the whole world will be our health system very very stronger. Italy no more number 2. And then they are even overwhelmed. Ye ka first 1,000 ewiasimu 1,000 sorry ewiasi ye ka their first 100 and a first 500 health system krana. Africa ha krano ye ka first 50 krana. Me sure say Ghana ye ka ho because ye nim how seven prediasan shitty our health system is. But see Italy, democracy the way they have been overwhelmed. President Babonte Meka said, "Nekre nkrofo ka enya nkrofo ka trend lockdown. Now we no president is wo dwen ho a, wo hwe se ne Ghana your life etsi nkrofo bebre majority, I'll tell you 60-70% of Ghanaians womo ye nkrofo bia hustle, hustle. Wonye ebia 9 to 5 job. Ebia wo market akoye adwumade enya ska wo ha se akoto ade enya ska nti president also dwen sa ade ne ho se ye lock down wa san crofo we ni na no ebia yesuro se yare ebekun nkrofo no na ebia ya lock omo down wa kwakote na fie na ekomo ekun omo na ene no trese cost 90 because usuro se yare ebechi omo ekun omo nti no usimo omo nko adwuma wo mo nti na fie omo kote na fie nso ekomo ade omo ekun omo. That is when you know a country from a country. Oko kurobitso to say America and Canada, even Canada. Womo nim saninti, womo implementing lockdown. And a womo make sure say wo bia wo ye adwuma bia a wo tifie bia no ye tiano aban etiano. The mate, and I stand to be corrected. The mate ewo Canada and say ye more $2,000 every month. Inti wonye adwuma but abanya fa woka. Inti wotifie a onim say oh okay metifie abanya etia me so no problem. America the mate and say ye ma wo bia $1,200. So you see other countries in so even Kenya say wo so omaye lockdown. No more lockdown the crano wo maye some incentive bia ede boa enkrofo because let me tell you the number of people who are poor in this country no high. Okoye sa lockdown we are nekre ede your how beba but send ya Ghana yeti we are sure say politicians send ya wo man ye me enkrofo sika wo munti na fie na enya hwe wo aban se wo de tina fie enya hwe ya ye be fidi no Ghana wo hwa ye betumi aye bibisa. But nanka washa o my way pan so nanka you will be biao. You will gold, you will diamond, you will petrol, you will oil, check a den Ghana yeni. But I can tell you for a fact. Say a buying a what's a woman will be at if you know what will be amo will be askano a better day amano. Because it is not even in our culture. Even in sorry I can answer me. Yare ba ya time we mo wan e wo se en sorry enina e sorry e boa wo mo members no afiansa na en sorry e jijiji offering e wo mobile money so that is our nature yen dreams are de ne ho. So you see the dilemma the president is in and that president Bekasai and no kan o se nkrofo kan and you say will be aka and the lockdown but me susu say the lockdown it will come but how soon no and only asem and then me can say as far as yenya yare no anu aduro no nko ade lockdown ne beba that's the fact yenya yare no anu aduro no nko ade the lockdown will come because every single day cases now e Ghana no it keeps increasing. Into yenya yare na no aduro nko the lockdown will come. Already someone like Efiaso Asnega one of the worker aban say ye lockdown no mekai February and na Efiaso Asnega sha say sa coronavirus yi sata na enye ndu Africa ye and Efiaso Asnega sha say hey o man panyi close it down airport no ye ni aye kan Emma coronavirus ebedu Nigeria Ghana for say hey close down the airport yen close your borders yen ma yare mba ma yen ma ne mba yen fi and to say yare no be kosoro ansa na wo manpanyin ebeso so some people no they are even blaming on manpanyin say and the yare no akwakodu 138 e wo Ghana no wo manpanyin ne ka ho because embra Togo Burkina Faso any Ivory Coast for nyaye na nke nimu wa na nke hwa na nke wo say o manpanyin wo close border no wo tweyama yenya over 20 imported cases and sana will take a decision say we'll close the borders. At time now crofo they are remu and they are infecting crofo that. So the experts are also saying say and at the experts so can say o man penyi e ye den kra last Nigeria university at last you close you lock down the country because senior ya reti baby a edui ya bompa ya yewe but still afiansa eba be kosoro and edu 138 na Canada Japan your friend saying media you see bibia me bo Canada Japan di but this is a good thing Canada Japan analysis bi calculation bi o say ne doctor Adam for be trend say ya no say ne ati wo hwe cases awowa na we hu say the next time obetumi nya times 2 inti enda Ghana yedu 138 no tumi hu say enya wawa if later ye be catch say Ghana sisi ayare na do 200 na che say ekosro so people are saying say eventually president you will lock the country down so why don't you just do it immediately and then there's also the other factor me fear ya just say lockdown beba so we are buying things and keeping say lockdown the ba na etifie ni yedi and the woko market ni so a senia enyama bo akosoro no etiefo enye easy that's also the other side hey Ghana ye need tema ba ko say enyama bo akosoro ama wodwe ho kra wonti ase e hyase with hand sanitizers and na me no ka say Gary olonka baako em say first na ye 8 cedis so sedan and na me no ka say wo come market say wo to Gary olonka baako a 15 cedis almost times 2 of it just say enyama bo akosra enra me ko to enkatie bottle enkatie a first pan bottle no say a bottle get 1 2 cedis so and me ko to enkatie bottle baako na ye be 7 cedis and na me to 2 just say things are just rising just like that because people know say that be lockdown be eba for now the question is lockdown or no lockdown but in some many so no and no na ma trase in some many so no and no na ma bobo so atremo I hope say utie this particular audio yana podcast what in some na see ye mo tre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase